Hey guys, this is Conrad with SF Investments Group. Today we're going to talk about flooring. Flooring is one of my favorite elements of a remodel. It's a surefire way to add several tens of thousands of dollars to your bill or hundreds of thousands of dollars to your return on investment. So it's important to do it the proper way. And today we're going to teach you how. This time you're going to need some extra power tools, some good PPE, eye protection, ear protection, and ventilation, a couple of extra saw blades, a hammer, pry bar, and a set of extra hands. But that's not because you're going to cut yours off. The extra hand should definitely still be attached to someone that can help you out today. You get it? Alright, that was a bad joke. I'll leave the comedy to the pros. Let's turn up the music and get busy.